Hi, this is Charlie giving you Tuesday's market commentary because obviously it was bank holiday yesterday. I just wanted to run through a couple of bits with you. Firstly, it's about where we are in the year now because we've just had a 2 week Easter break. Lots of people have been on holiday, obviously with the children off school, and we're now most people are back now, or either today, tomorrow, and so here we are, latter part of April, and we've got this push now all the way through to August until we get to or sort of late July when the children break up again, where we've got this nice window of opportunity to put the accelerator down a little bit. We've just had a nice sort of break and a bit of slower trading over the Easter period, and things should start picking up again as we go through into May, but certainly from the euro perspective, what with the May meetings coming up, then that should produce a bit more volatility with the euro. And so we're out of the holiday period. Yes, we've got some bank holidays coming up in May, but in the main, this is a good period of the year to take us all the way through to like I said, late July, to say, right, okay, there are pockets of opportunities we go through the year. We've had the first pocket of opportunity in the first couple of months or so up to Easter, and then you have the Easter break, and then you have that second window of opportunity until you get up to August, and then August can be very slow. You never know for certain if it's going to be, but it can be very slow, and then you have to wait until well into September before things pick up again. So this is your time to grab the balls by the horns as far as trading is concerned. And looking at this chart, actually, I'm looking at a chart of the dollar index, and the dollar index came down a couple of weeks back, and as we can see, that it's come back off of these lows. Didn't come down and make a new low at this point. So I'm still looking for the potential for this dollar index to carry on rallying. If it comes back down and breaks this low, then all bets are off, and I'd be looking for the euro to go and break 140 plus. But if the dollar index holds, then the potential is for the euro dollar to weaken if the dollar index and as the dollar index strengthens. So keep your eye on this dollar index there. But at the moment, if we actually look at the likes of the euro dollar, then it's just in a holding pattern really at the moment. It's almost like in a bull flag, you could argue, here at the moment. So it's certainly just been in a holding pattern. Again, not overly surprising what with the bank holidays around Easter. So really it's going to be as the week starts to pick up. There's not a lot of news out today, but as the week picks up, we'll see what's going to happen with this, and maybe it's going to take a week or two. But yeah, well, let's watch that dollar index, and I think that's going to be interesting across the board as regards to what these currencies do. So I'm going to leave it at that for now. Just nice, short and sweet. I'm seeing it now that, great, I've got the Easter out of the way. I now need to put my foot down, taking me all the way up to August, and then I can have that break. So that's my personal plan for now. I'll leave that with you and be back on Friday.